troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merged Breeze Liquid Detergent. Sa Breeze Liquid Detergent, meron na tayong Breeze Liquid Detergent Stain Action Bula. Available for 670 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Gentle and Free Liquid Detergent. Available for 980 ml. Unilever po yan. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong New Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. 980 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Gentle and Free Liquid Detergent with lavender and rice milk. Available for 650 ml. Yan yung mga big pack and big bottle Breeze. Sa small pack tayo, meron tayong New Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Meron din tayong Breeze Front Load. Available for 60 ml. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Power Machine Liquid Detergent. Available po yan sa 60 ml. Yung Power Machine. Yung Breeze Power Machine, available po yan sa 64 ml. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Breeze Gentle and Free Liquid Detergent with lavender rice milk, small pack. Available po yan sa 60 ml. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Yung Breeze, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merged. That's it for today's Unilever Company merged Breeze Liquid Detergent. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merged videos. Thank you for watching.